In the journey of life, we encounter moments that leave us wounded, not just in body, but in heart and spirit. True healing is a holistic process, embracing the entirety of our being and leading us toward wholeness. O divine healer, in the stillness of this moment, I come before you with a heart laid bare. You alone perceive the hidden scars I carry, the silent battles fought within, the unvoiced sorrows that echo in the chambers of my soul. I present them to you now, seeking the touch of your restorative grace. Extend your healing hand over every facet of my being. Mend the fractures of my mind, soothing the anxieties that cloud my thoughts. Rejuvenate my spirit, dispelling the shadows of despair with the light of your love. In moments of solitude, when loneliness weighs heavily, envelop me in the warmth of your presence, reminding me that I am never truly alone. I trust unwaveringly in the transformative power of your love. As I receive your healing, empower me to become an instrument of your peace. May I offer solace to those in distress, extend kindness to the weary, and shine hope into the lives of those engulfed in darkness. With a heart renewed and a spirit restored, I embrace the wholeness that comes from you. Amen.